right, so looking at number 5, we have the word atoms. That tells us that we're going to need this number, our magic number. But we also have grams, which tells us we're going to need the mass from the periodic table. Okay? So let's do our first step and set up our T-chart. So we have 25 grams. If we've got grams on top, where does it go next? Bottom. And what do we have to go to from grams? Moles. Even though we're not ending in moles, we have to stop there. How do we find the number that goes next to our grams? How do we find this mass? Beautiful. The periodic table masses. So we have N and H. NR&NH3. We have 1 N and 3 H's. So we're going to multiply those by our masses. Looking at the periodic table, which I don't have up here, what's the mass of nitrogen? 14, thank you. And hydrogen is? 1. So we have 1 times 14 is 14, dang it. We have 3 times 1 is 3. We add those up, we get 17 grams total. Okay? So that's what goes right there. And that is, since we got it from the periodic table, that's grams per how many moles? 1. So we got rid of our grams. We are now in moles. Are we done? Is that what the problem wanted? Nope. The problem wants us in atoms. So we're going to add another box. And in this part, we're trying to get rid of moles. So where are we going to put it now? On the bottom. What are we trying to get to on the top? Atoms. Beautiful. And what number do we put next to atoms? What's our magic number? Perfect. And that is for how many moles? 1. That gets rid of our moles. So now we're in atoms. We started in grams, we went to atoms, we know we're done. Now we just have to solve the math. So we're multiplying everything across the top. So we have 25 times 1 times 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd divided by 17 times 1. Which I might have to do in my calculator more than one step. So I got 25 times 1 is going to be 25 times 6.02 to the 23rd is 1.505 times 10 to the 25th all over 17. So forgot my parentheses. 1.505 times 10 to the 25th divided by 17. Woo! 8.85 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. It's a lot of atoms.
Yeah, I did that, but I went 4 decimals. So I have 8.8494.
Good job.
I have 8.84.